Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset iPhone device, iPad and other iOS devices without password. So if you have forgotten your Apple ID password and you want to reset or factory reset your iPhone device, then in this video I will tell you that how you can factory reset iPhone device without password. So now let's get started. How you can do that? You will have to follow the process and watch the video completely so that you can do that. So first of all, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that you will see this type of interface. Here you need to scroll it down a little bit. Then you need to tap on general. After that you will see this type of page. Here you will have to again scroll it down. Then here you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just simply tap on that. Then here you will see this type of page. Here you are watching the reset and raise all content and settings. If you want to factory reset your iPhone device, then here you will have to tap on raise all content and settings. Just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to wait for a few seconds. Here it's asking that raise this iPhone. Raising will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. The following item will be safely removed from this iPhone. So these are the items that will be deleted on your iPhone device if you factory reset. Apps and data, Apple ID, Find My account and wallet will be deleted from your account. If you agree, then you will have to tap on continue. Then here it's asking me to enter the passcode for this iPhone. Here you will have to enter the passcode. Enter the passcode used to unlock this iPhone. Then here it's taking backup. If you want to take backup, then you will have to wait for 1 minute, and if you don't want to take backup, then you will have to skip backup. Then here it's asking me to enter the Apple ID password in order to reset or factory reset your iPhone device. So because you don't have access or forgotten your Apple ID password, that's why here you will have to tap on forget password. Then here you will have to enter the iPhone passcode. Then here you will have to wait for a few seconds. So here it's asking me to enter the new Apple ID password. Here you will have to enter the new password, and here below you will have to verify the password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. After that you will have to use this password to factory reset your iPhone device. So this is the way through which you can factory reset iPhone device without password. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.